Although an angle of 1 degree is very small, it can be further subdivided. There are 60 minutes in 1 degree and 60 seconds in 1 minute. So the box below that statement summarizes what is in that sentence. So we know that one counterclockwise revolution equals 360 degrees, but then 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and if you look at this particular statement right here, the mathy part, where it says 1 degree is equal to 60, and then it's got that prime notation. The prime here is referring to minutes. Okay, so you've got to know what that notation means. 60, and then the prime mark is referring to 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 degree equals 60 minutes. Okay, in the next statement, it says that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so again, that prime notation is used to denote that. Okay, so here it is saying that 1 minute, which is just a single prime, is equal to 60 double prime. The double prime notation is indicating seconds. Okay, so really this degree, minute, second measurement, it is just a way for further subdividing single degrees. Okay, this may seem kind of weird, like why are you taking 1 degree and then further subdividing it? This whole idea of degrees, minutes, and seconds, that type of measurement, it's really popular like in land surveying. Okay, so people who perform those kinds of tasks absolutely have to know how to convert from decimal degrees into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So we're going to practice some of that. Okay, so I know this is a little strange. Okay, but let's give it a shot. So what we're going to do, and let me just show you example 2 here. In example 2, you're going to take 29.411 degrees. Degrees are, familiar to us. We're going to convert this number, which is in decimal degrees, we're going to convert that into the degrees, minutes, seconds notation. Okay. And you have to also be able to go the opposite. So if you are given an angle measurement in degrees, minutes, and seconds, you need to be able to convert that back into decimal degrees. Okay, so there's some rules up here about how you can convert between decimal degrees and degrees, minutes, and seconds. So let's read through the 2 rules. The 2 rules are up here. So here's the first one. It tells you how to convert from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So the whole number part of the angle is D, okay, and D is referring to the degree part, okay. Then you're going to multiply the decimal part of the angle by 60, and then the whole number part of that answer is going to be M, which is the number of minutes. And then to find S, you're going to multiply the new remaining decimal part by 60 and round. And again, S is referring to the number of seconds. Okay, that sounds kind of complicated, so we'll walk through an example in example 2 where you take something in decimal degrees and you convert it over to that degrees, minute, and second notation. Okay, here's the rule for the flip. So if you're converting from degrees, minutes, and seconds back into decimal degrees, okay, you're just going to rely on the fact that of what is in the box, that 1 degree equals 60 minutes and that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Okay, so what you would do is if you were converting from decimal or degrees, minutes, and seconds, the degrees part, okay, that is how many degrees you have, and then the M part, that's referring to the minutes. There's 60 minutes in 1 degree, so you're going to take the number of minutes and you're going to divide that by 60. Okay, and then seconds, that's what the S is referring to. Okay, you're trying to convert it back kind of into degrees. So if we know there are 60 seconds in a minute and there's 60 minutes in 1 degree, then there are 3,600, which is 60 times 60 seconds in 1 degree. Okay, so you would take the number of seconds and divide by 3,600. Okay, so you can apply this little formula to convert from an angle measurement in degrees, minutes, and seconds back into decimal degrees. And we will practice this in example 3. Okay, let's go ahead and give example 2 a shot.